In an alarming revelation, it has been reported that 1 in every 4 individuals in Pakistan is battling with diabetes, a condition that can lead to severe eye, heart, and kidney diseases. This statistic underscores the urgent need for concerted efforts towards effective diabetes treatment and prevention. Diabetes, often referred to as the mother of all diseases, gives rise to numerous other health complications. Even pregnant women aren't spared from its damaging effects. Moreover, the impact of high sugar levels on those already suffering from chronic illnesses can be devastating. A sweeping campaign promoting lifestyle and habit changes, along with preventive measures, is a necessity. We must steer clear from fast food, poultry products, sweets, and fizzy drinks, while incorporating regular exercise into our daily routines. It's worth noting that over 33 million people in Pakistan are living with diabetes, and a staggering 25% are unaware of their condition. This lack of awareness, coupled with inadequate attention to proper treatment, leads to further complications over time. Unhealthy diet, obesity, and an inactive lifestyle are primary contributors to this disease. If a family member is diabetic, the risk of developing other diseases increases significantly. Recognizing the symptoms of diabetes is crucial. If you're experiencing constant thirst, frequent urination, or sudden weight loss, consult a qualified medical professional immediately. Diabetes can damage every part of the body, so timely intervention is essential.